the man of the moment, in a rich vein of form and #1 in the scoring charts. Can he do it again today? Live on EA TV. And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner here on the gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham player, Stuart Robson. And what we have for you is live action from the Championship. It's Rotherham United up against Manchester United.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Here's the Rotherham United starting lineup.
Well, it's a defensive-looking lineup, but if the wing-backs break forward, the midfield can get close to the front pair, and the front two can link up with each other, they should still cause problems today.
Well, Manchester United have chosen this particular shape.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
An absorbing match in prospect. Manchester United get the ball rolling. Gozens. More than decent this from United. The referee knew that was foul play, but advantage it is. Marquez. Caballero. And I'll tell you what, that didn't miss by much. Well, it is a lethal Manchester United front line, and the statistics are there to back that up.
Well, their build-up play away from home has been brilliant. They get the ball into the front players with quality, they get midfield players making runs beyond the strikers, and the full-backs are always ready to overlap. I'm sure we'll see the same again today.
Well, a win for Manchester United last time out against Reading. How might this play out, Stuart?
Yes, that was the all-round team performance, wasn't it? They could have won by more than 3-0. Their fans absolutely loved it. I think they have to be favourites for the 3 points again today. They have far too much quality in their squad.
Right, I'm hearing there's been a goal in the Hull game, and Alex can tell us all about it.
It's a goal for Norwich City. It's now 1-0 with 12 minutes on the clock.
Thanks for the update, Alex. Can he put them in front? Well, he stumped it out of there without much fuss. Can't miss, surely. Oh, that's a fine save. Can someone get on the end of this? Well, a bit short with the clearance. Correa. Surely! And it was a great chance for 1-0.
Well, that should have been the opener, shouldn't it? What a chance that was.
Well, someone has found the net, I'm hearing, in the Barnsley game. Who exactly? Alex can tell us.
It's a goal for Fulham. They've scored the opener with 19 minutes played.
Oh, hang on, Alex. Big chance here. And that's an excellent piece of defending to thwart him. A good effective pressure high up the pitch. Now potential danger. Whatever way you look at that, it's been squandered. Intercepting it intelligently. Well, apologies to Alex for having to interrupt her. To confirm, Fulham have found the net in that match. They now lead by 1-0.
Well, United very much in control over the last 15 minutes and have played some really lovely football going forward. But they must now make it count and get themselves in front.
Oh, wait, Stuart, they might score. A goal! 1-0. A fully deserved advantage based on what we've seen.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Hugo. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Well, a goal update for you in the West Bromwich Albion game. That means we join Alex Scott.
Yep, it's a goal for West Brom. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 10 minutes to half-time.
Alex, thank you very much. A glorious chance. There it is, 2 to the good now, and that gives them a buffer.
Well, just look at this. It's a good finish and reward for their pressure. They really have controlled this game.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Well, half-time almost upon us, and playing away from home isn't bothering them in the slightest. Stuart, how about your take?
Well, from an attacking point of view, it's been a very good performance. I've really liked the way they've got the ball from back to front, then how the forwards have got away from their markers, and the speed of their attacks as well. It's been a really impressive first half.
Caballero. More than decent this from United. And it might be. And lining it up. Able to get a body in the way. And deciding to go short with this one. Now what can they do from here? It should be! And the keeper did magnificently.
Well, that's just a wonderful save. How did he stop that?
But he's gone short with it. Has a go. Oh, a goal! And every player's worst nightmare, because this will go down as an own goal.
Well, as the replay shows us, that will be classed as an own goal. He's a bit unlucky there.
So with that, the first half comes to an end, and Manchester United hold the advantage. Away they go again. Second half is underway here. And he stopped them in their tracks. And Leon. Plenty of support here. Marquez. Can he finish? Well, it might still work out for them. Well, what an opportunity, but really good defending, you've got to say. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. Well, something has happened in the Reading game. Alex is going to tell us exactly what.
It's a goal for Birmingham City. It was a low-driven cross and he was...
Oh no, what a chance this is! What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. And we're focusing on him for a reason, Stuart. He's asking plenty of questions of the defenders.
Well, he's certainly made things happen in that attacking third. He's been bright, he's been inventive, and he's been a constant threat. And, of course, he's got his goal as well.
Well, apologies to Alex for having to interrupt her. To clarify, Birmingham did score in that game, and their lead stands at 1-0 presently. Caballero. Marquez. Machado. Mastery of the passing game. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And into the last 30 minutes now.
Well, there it is. United have had most of the ball. They've passed it well, their movement's been good, and they've been well worth their lead. Could get even better here.
Well, many have wondered if they would get it over the line in terms of the deal. They've succeeded, Stuart.
Well, Derek, this could be a goal here.
And it's come off the keeper. And a decent save, full credit. And played short. Cross could be useful. Well, not quite the header he had in mind. And the goalkeeper gobbling that one up. And intercepting it. Cohen Bramall. A good effective pressure high up the pitch. Getting in there to intercept. Could be dangerous. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. It's offside, and perhaps he should have been a bit more alert.
And maybe a little bit more aware in the box. He was just too static.
Pope. Gabby. Well, they have the ball once more. Oh, he's really opened them up here. And quite simply, wide of the target.
Your wife is waiting for you. Thank you.
And into the last 15 minutes of action. Not a great pass. Another live game in the Championship coming your way on EA TV. It's Rotherham United taking on Birmingham City.
I'm really looking forward to that. Two entertaining teams in what should be a really feisty affair.
Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. And unfortunately for him, he had worked his way into an offside position.
And I think everybody in the ground could see that was always going to be offside.
Gozens. Plenty of support here. Miranda with it. Can he do it? And quite simply, a wonderful chance was squandered. And time for the change now. Who can he pick out? Well, they couldn't take advantage of the chance. Shot attempted. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. And clearing it away. Caballero. Correa. Pope. Miranda. Now far from a smooth challenge. Now will the referee produce a card? And he does produce the yellow card.
Yeah, and it certainly deserved a yellow. It's a poor challenge, you have to say.
A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, here's the replay. He does well to find that bit of space in the box, and then he shows a lot of composure to finish it off. That's a good goal.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. And there it is, the final whistle, a result to please Manchester United fans around the world. What did you think of their performance as a whole?
Well, we talked about their ability to score goals at the top of the game.
Just a couple of questions for you. Thanks, that's all.
building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be for real. We have all the action for you live. Welcome on a big football night here at Goodison Park. I'm Derek Ray, perched here on the commentary gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And live action coming up from the Carabao Cup. It is Everton up against Manchester United.
Well, there's nothing like a good cup run to boost confidence, and these two teams will be hoping this could be their year to win this tournament. Yes, there's a long way to go, but this is still a big game for both teams.
And here's how Everton line up.
Well, it can be seen as a very defensive shape, but if they have good athletes in midfield, which they have, who are ready to break forward as soon as possession is won, they can still pose a big threat today.
This is the team Manchester United will go with.
Goodison Park, enjoy the game.
An absorbing match in prospect. Manchester United get the ball rolling. Machado. Now Leon. Gabi. Will it be? Well, it really wasn't a great effort, was it? Encouraging stuff from United. Chance here. Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him? Must score! A goal in the early stages. Precisely what they had been planning.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
So Everton restart the game, well aware that the pressure has been applied. How will they respond? Well, a classic example of how to intercept. David Neres. Well, visionary passing. I hesitate to say it, but I think that qualifies as an oops moment.
Yeah, the less said about that, the better. That's a really poor effort.
Gabi. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Breaking at pace. Now looking dangerous here. Pratt. Well, he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't. Machado. Might really be able to trouble them here. Another successful intervention, winning the ball back. High pressing at its best. Gozens. Top-class defending. Dennis Praet. Moving the ball forward with purpose. Mopé. That is a very fine challenge in difficult circumstances. And threading it forward. Could be. Oh, really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that's such a good save, isn't it? How did he keep that one out?
David Neres. Patterson. And it wasn't a great pass, was it? Neil Mopé. Everton moving the ball forwards. What can they do from here? Options in the centre. Pratt. Can they square the game? Well, that's fine goalkeeping. Real concentration.
Well, these fans have had to be patient. Could this be the equaliser?
Can someone get on the end of this? And a body in the way. Now Leon. Poor attempt at a pass, really. And in with a real chance. Oh, he's found the net. And that increases the advantage to 2. Just what they wanted and just what they deserve.
Well, let's look at this again. To pick out this pass shows wonderful vision. It's inch perfect, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Two 2-0 here, and the ball is moving again. Nathan Patterson. David Neres. Patterson. It's with David Neres. Shielding the ball superbly. Pratt. That's a routine take. An alert intervention. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. But they took care of the situation defensively. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Great strong tackle, throw in forthcoming. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And Leon. Well, he could really get at the opposition. It has to be a smart stop here. Half-time, that will close the book on the first half here at Goodison. Well, and so the ball is rolling again, and Everton left with a mountain to climb here in the second half. Can they respond? Chance to play it in. And no way through. And the counter looks on here, options available. Oh, a nice looking pass. And the referee has given them a corner. Well, they've decided to make a change. Now, how about the short corner? Giving them a different option by moving in field. And played to the front post. And you need your defender to take charge. Must score! Oh, incredible save, and he snuffed out any sign of danger. Well, who would dare predict the outcome of matches in the Championship? This is one to look forward to live on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Sheffield United. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Pratt. Patient enough build-up. Can they carve out a chance? That really would have changed the equation had it gone in, Stuart.
Well, he needed to score there. That may just have given them some hope.
And time for the change now. Gozens. Now, options are plenty. And it might be. And still danger here. And a time for cool heads. And plenty of room in the wide area. Well, disappointing end to the move. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Defenders need to cover. Can he finish? And a goal! He's doubled his total for the day in superb scoring form.
Well, let's take another look, and I'm not sure what the keeper was thinking there. Just look at his position. He made it far too easy for him to score.
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0. Dennis Praet. The supporters want to see him have a go. Gives it a go. The save was a good one. And time for the change now. And deciding to go short with this one. Well, he really read that brilliantly. A chopping challenge, and the referee has got to have a big think about it. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
We've had a pair of keys handed into reception. Please can you go to reception?
On the ball, Lozano.
You've lost your keys.
Gabby. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw.
Well, a lot of the Everton fans are leaving early here. They just can't take any more of this.
In with a chance. And the ball is loose. Well, nothing untoward happened. Fabio Vieira.
Well, I still can't believe that didn't go in, Derek. What an incredible save.
And this time it's Miranda. Rodriguez. Just 10 minutes to go. Gozens. Gavi.
Well, you can really sense the frustration building around the stadium. They've been so poor today, way below their usual standard.
Pope has it. Gavi. It's with Robin Gozens. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Good-looking ball. Well, he has the measure of his man. Far from a good pass. Playing advantage here. United keep it. Marquez. Oh, that's an interesting pass. And he's kept it out, fully stretched, somehow reaching it. Let's see about the delivery. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. A glorious chance. Really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that had to be a goal, didn't it? What a stop that is.
And now the delivery. Outrageously good piece of defending on the line. The final whistle and Manchester United move on.
Well, it was all at a bit of a canter, to be honest. They dominated pretty much from the start, and it left the result in little doubt. They'll be full of confidence going into the next round.
And in the final analysis, a really positive performance from this man, Stuart.
Well, what more could you ask for? His build-up play was clever, his movement was dynamic, and he scored a couple of goals. What a player he is.